Welcome to Digital Purchase Order. This is a quick introduction on how to use the catalog. The catalog feature especially makes sense for those companies that frequently buy the same items. Instead of manually typing item details repeatedly, you can predefine your item information and make it accessible via a drop-down list when creating a purchase order. To activate this feature, please go to the Settings section and select the Catalog tab. Here, you can add items or organize them by category. Creating categories is quite simple. Just enter a name and a description, and make sure to activate the visibility at the bottom. You even have the option to use subcategories. Simply name your existing superordinate category in line 2. The system will recognize your data entry and suggest matches in the drop-down field. Once this is done, you can add your items. Simply enter the item name, select the appropriate category from the drop-down menu, and add an item description. In the middle section, you can enter the pricing information and assign the item to an expenditure type. If you do not want to share pricing information, you can choose to hide the price. Please note, however, that prices can only be hidden while creating the purchase order. Once the PO has been created, the pricing information will be visible again in the View section. If you do not want certain users to see pricing information, you should restrict their access to purchase orders. To do this, go to the Settings section, select the Users tab, open the relevant user profile, and set the purchase order visibility permission to No Purchase Orders. Last but not least, any item can be assigned to a list of account codes if you have already saved them. If not, please go to the Chart of Accounts tab in the Settings section and generate account codes first. At the bottom, you even have the option to lock item information. This means that no data entered here can be changed when creating a PO. By the way, you can also lock the whole catalog list by ticking the corresponding checkbox at the top. In this way, users cannot create new items but must select pre-existing items from this list when they create a new PO. If you have a large number of items, manual data entry may become too time-consuming. Therefore, we recommend using our data import sheet. You can find this sheet in the Settings section under the Import tab. Simply download the spreadsheet, copy and paste all relevant information into it, and send it to support@digitalpurchaseorder.com. We will then take care of the rest. Once everything has been imported successfully, creating a new PO is quite simple. Select your department and supplier information, then go to the Items section. Here, click Add New Items. The only thing that remains is to type your item name. DPO will immediately suggest matching items and categories in a drop-down field. If you select one of these options, the system will automatically populate all fields. You simply need to enter the quantity, and your PO will be ready to go. If you have any further questions, please send us an email to support@digitalpurchaseorder.com or give us a call on 1-888-3767-254. We can also arrange a demo appointment with you. Simply contact us via email and we will schedule a call at your earliest convenience.